Welcome to Al Jazari channel, where you will learn dynamics as a primary course for high school and first-year engineering students. The work presented here is based on Engineering Mechanics, Dynamics book written by Hibbler and published by Pearson. Starting with Chapter 12, Kinematics of Particles. Problem F12, 1. Initially, the car travels along a straight road with a speed of 35 meters per second. If the brakes are applied and the speed of the car is reduced to 10 meters per second in 15 seconds, determine the constant deceleration of the car. Here we have a car that travels at initial speed, vi, equal to 35 meters per second at ti equal to 0. Then slowed down to travel with a final speed, vf, equal to 10 meters per second at tf equal to 15 seconds. We know that acceleration equals the change in speed divided by the change of time, or delta v divided by delta t. This equals vf minus vi divided by tf minus ti equal 10 minus 35 divided by 15 minus 0 equals negative 1.67 meters per second square. The negative sign means deceleration. So, the constant deceleration of the car is 1.67 meters per second square. In this video, 4 kinematics of particle fundamental problems were solved. In the next video more problems will be solved. So, stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alarm to be notified of the new videos. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, so press like and share it. See you again.